How to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can book hotel in booking.com without a credit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to book hotel in booking.com without credit card, you can just try to open the booking.com application here. Once you launch the booking.com app, simply search for any sort of destinations that you might find. Now, suppose let's say you don't have a credit card but you still want to book a hotel. Well, it really depends upon the hotel, because if you look at a particular place and then if it says no prepayment needed, as you can find here, it means that you don't have to enter your credit card or be it any of the other payment methods in order to book a certain place. So if I go to this particular property over here, you can see it says me no prepayment needed, which means that I don't have to enter my credit card details. So I can just tap the select rooms option from the bottom, and then I'll be able to simply go ahead and book whatever else I prefer without actually using my credit card or whatever else they ask me to over here. As you can see here, it says no credit card needed. And this way you can book in hotel.com without credit card. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.